This is Emily Campbell. She's a British record holder, British Championship gold medalist, and took the bronze at the Commonwealth Games back in 2018. Emily's currently in training to get Team GB a weightlifting medal at the next Olympics, and she's taking no prisoners.
Hi Emily, how's it going?
Hi, not too bad, mate. How are you?
Yeah, good. So, you know about this challenge, it's you versus me. Clean and jerk.
Yeah, so the clean from here to your chest.
Yeah.
And then...
And then out.
Yeah.
Okay. How much can you lift?
Yeah, my best ever clean and jerk is 153 kilos. So I thought I'd take it easy on you today, you know, not,
Appreciate
you know, go too much.
All right, you do your thing. Make sure you're at peak, because when I come back, like all jokes done.
Yeah.
On.
Cool.
Yeah?
Nice meeting you, mate.
Yeah, likewise.
You better stretch.
Yeah.
I know what you're thinking. There's no way I can lift that, not with my creaking joints. Now, I know my way around a gym.
Once upon a time, I used to be a personal trainer, so I do know my biceps from my triceps, my anteriors from the posteriors.
But I'm no spring chicken, so I'm gonna need a bit of help. Maybe an exoskeleton could do the trick. Over the years, I've tried out various exoskeletons from around the world. These are frames that you wear, and they're packed with motors and pulleys that give you extra oomph in the lifting department. This tech is now hitting the mainstream, with companies like Exobionics providing skeletons for construction workers.
So a good exoskeleton provides between 2 and 7 kilos of extra lift per arm.
It's already being used by home builders Wilmot Dixon. Impressive, but an extra 7 kilos of lift is nowhere near Emily's PB.
It's not going to be enough. I need a new plan. And I think I've got an idea.
Robots.
There are actually a fair few videos online showcasing the weightlifting abilities of robots. They have competitions and everything.
And the world's biggest robotic competition is run by Vex Robotics, who make snap-together robotic systems for school kids. It's a worldwide competition and has over 27,000 teams taking part. Their aim is to get more kids interested in STEM subjects, that's science, technology, engineering and maths. And luckily for me, they know how to build weightlifting robots.
All right, Chris.
How you doing?
Yeah, I'm good, man. You?
Excellent, yeah, very good.
I would like robotics to help me in some way. What kind of challenges are we facing?
The biggest challenge we're going to have if we want to make something that's vaguely humanoid in shape is going to be balance.
Okay.
If we're going to get anywhere near it, we're going to have to shrink this thing down. So we're going to have to, rather than make a human-sized humanoid, we're going to make a desktop humanoid.
Chris's genius idea means our robot will have a lower centre of gravity, but still be able to challenge Emily pound for pound in a scaled-down sort of way.
So if we were to have the weight on the end of here, you can see when it's at this point, we've got the worst centre of gravity.
Okay.
We're going to lose it. So what I'm thinking is maybe something like this, when it raises up here, that moves up and down through a central point.
Now, obviously, my bot and I won't be able to lift a bar as heavy as Emily's, so in order to compete, we're going to work out our respective lifts as a percentage of body weight. Simples. It's time to start building.
Have you ever built anything like this before?
Nothing that needs to lift this sort of percentage of its own weight. This is new territory.
Good. Nothing wrong with a bit of that.
No.
All of their robots are built using off-the-shelf parts from their building kits.
How are you thinking once built, we'll control the robot?
Use a remote control, and then we're going to program it to control the individual limbs of the robot. And that way, as it's lifting, you can try and keep that centre of gravity so it doesn't tip.
Important word there, try. You're obviously not that familiar with me and remote controls.
And after just 6 hours, the UK's first dedicated humanoid weightlifting robot is finished. With over 800 components, 12 motors and a microcontroller to give me full command over its 7 volts of power, Emily is going down.
Hey, Emily, this is what you're going up against. Woo!
I thought this was me versus you.
Well, it is. I'll be operating the robot, yeah.
I mean, it's kind of cool.
You're disappointed, aren't you?
Just a little bit. Good luck, guys. You're gonna need it.
Yeah, you say that.
While Emily warms up, I'm getting in some last-minute practice myself.
So, slowly.
Bring the forearms in.
Forearms in.
The The controller allows me to work each motor on the robot independently,
You can unfold the arms again at the end.
which means a smoother lift and no toppling over.
There you go.
All right.
It's a lift.
But that was a light.
That's
lift,
a lightweight, yeah. That's a lightweight. So when we go to the high weight, it's going to wobble a lot.
It's going to wobble a lot. Okay, but I'm ready.
Right, time's up. To judge the competition between Emily and my robot, referee Stuart will be abiding by the British weightlifting rules and deciding whether it's the British Olympian or my robot that pushes the most weight. Emily is up first.
All right. Good luck, Emily. Yeah?
You're going to need it.
No, stop. Don't wind her up.
She's going straight in for the win with a clean and jerk weight of 140 kilos.
She's good. She's good.
Really good.
Emily's lifted 140 kilos, which is 119% of her body weight.
Okay, let's see what we can do.
All right, let's go.
I mean, I think I've pretty much put it on the robot now, so it's going to have to do something impressive, I think, to beat me. So we'll see.
Right. Are you ready to taste defeat?
Let's see it.
Hey. Okay.
Our robot weighs 1.45 kilos, so to make sure we definitely beat Emily, we're going to lift 1.8 kilos. That's 125% of my robot's weight. It's time to chalk up.
Let's do it. Stop messing about. Stop wasting time. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
So you're going to keep those legs straight.
The clean part of the clean and jerk? Tidy.
Happy with leg extension, Stuart?
Yeah, nice clean.
Okay, thank you. Here we go.
Being able to control each arm individually is really helping.
Where is it? That's it.
But as I try to go higher for the lock, it all gets a bit too complicated.
Are you happy or do you want full lockout?
Full lockout.
Seriously?
Oh, you can't. Bring it back down, bring it down.
Oh, man. Just like that, it's all over. When the weight was at its highest, I got a bit of a wobble on and my trusty robot toppled. So it's a loss for Team Gadget.
Thanks very much. Not this time, but thank you.
And another gold for Olympian Emily.
What can I say? You've let yourself down. You've let your teammates down. You've let the country down. What? And with your ineptitude, you've made the chance of an honourable draw a mathematical impossibility. What have you got to say for yourself?
We all lost one.
Excuse me, I haven't yet.